Hey y'all, happy Vlogmas day 12. A bitch is being consistent, you hear me? It's the consistency for me. But yeah, so it's day 12. I have just been like cleaning. Well, not even cleaning, like I took the cushion covers off my couch, washed those, wiped my balcony, cleaned the doors, like the glass doors on my balcony, like cleaned the furniture. And yeah, you know, like vacuumed and stuff like that. I'm about to steam clean my floors in a little bit. And you know, just like Sunday vibes. So then I'm gonna go down to Miami to my aunt's house for a little bit. But I'm not really doing much today. I just wanted to just get like a nice reset for next week or for this upcoming week. I really just wanted to just reset and I don't know the word, but read something. I wanted to read something, you know, and that's what I'm doing. So yeah, I just wanted to take you guys along with me. My house is like, it looks crazy right now. I have like all the couch cushions just like posted up because I took the covers off and put them in the wash because taking care of like light furniture and this light ass carpet, like bruh, and not fun. But yeah, that's what I've been doing all day. And yeah, I think better, I function better, I am more productive in a clean space. My hair, I'm way more productive in a clean space. And I just, yeah, I just needed to do this for myself. And I think I'm gonna like steam clean my bed area, even though my bed is like made up and stuff. I'm about to go hang up some clothes. Like I'm just about to just, you know, do my thing and clean up for real. You know, I really don't feel like going to Miami today. I might just go tomorrow. I think I'm gonna go tomorrow. But y'all, I be all over the place. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you're not, welcome back. What's good, sis? Yeah, I'm not doing shit today. I have not left my house in like 3 days. I haven't left my house since Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So 4 days. I haven't left my house in 4 days. I'm just, like I told you guys, I'm really not in the mood to be around people yet, to like really be conversing with people yet. I'm still really sad. So it's getting better, it's getting a little bit easier, but not really. But here we are. It is what it is. So I don't know. I love y'all, and I will talk to y'all very soon. Y'all gonna see like my little cleaning montage, so watch that. Baby, tell me you didn't shrink. Ooh, child. Hey gang, hold on, let me pause this. Hey gang, I'm waiting in my teeth right now. I just got out the shower and this sounds crazy. I just got out the shower, I'm whitening my teeth. I'm using these white strips from the brand is called Ultimate White. They actually work. This is my 3rd time using them. I'm about to make some dinner, so I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna make. It's 6:36 p.m. on December 12th, and I was supposed to be vlogging like the day before. Didn't work out like that. Like, I took out some chicken, but it's not thawed, so it's not looking like chicken tonight. It's looking like chicken tomorrow. I think I might do chicken sandwiches tomorrow, but tonight I think I'm gonna just keep it real cute and light. I don't know exactly how, but that's what I'm gonna do. Jumped into what the fuck is that? Damn, y'all, I thought I had some pasta thingies. Matter of fact, I'm about to make, oh, and I'm gonna make a reel. I'm about to just make some shrimp Alfredo because damn. Oh, yay, I got them. False alarm, I'm not making shrimp Alfredo. Okay. I'm about to make these, what the fuck is these called? Stuffed shells. They're filled with Romano and Parmesan, Romano and Parmesan cheeses with Italian seasoning. I sound so funny right now. I'm gonna just put them in like a little baking dish with some sauce. Some sauce. Where's the deal? Y'all, how did I not know that the bottom of my stove, like, it could either be a warmer or a freaking 375. It could be a warmer or a freaking, what's that thing called? Like storage. My dumb ass. I always just think like rats and roaches live in there and you just never touch it. I'm a fucking idiot. Like, in my mind, the bottom of the stove is where critters live and you don't touch that shit. So, but now that I know better, you know, I'm gonna do better. And I've been keeping my little bakeware in there and shit. Y'all, this meal is about to be so fucking easy. Let me show y'all exactly how to, I'm not even about to dry this bowl all the way for real though, because it's about to evaporate in the oven. Get in the oven. I'm gonna show y'all what to do. I get these from Aldi. because you know I'm an Aldi girl. This is the tomato, onion, and garlic pasta sauce. I love this one so much. Oh shit, can I open it? Nigga. Oh, here we go. So I'm gonna just put some pasta sauce at the bottom of the pan. A healthy helping. Boom. Then I'm going to place the shell in the pasta sauce just like that. Oh, not just like that, cause not with all of the freaking frostbite and shit on there. Hold on, y'all. Technical difficulties. All right, we back. I'm gonna just do all of it that can fit. I think it's only two. Oh yeah, there's 2 more left. We about to make these bits fit. Okay. Boom. You about to fit right? Oh, perfect. Oh, Big Mama got a lot of frostbite on her. Hold on. Hold on. All right, boom. And then that's it. You just do that. Right, you just do that and then you put it in the oven. It says for 45 minutes. And yeah, I'm gonna start off with some foil on top of it, and then I'm gonna take the foil off like midway through so it can get a little, you know. Oh bitch, I ain't got no foil. Change of plans. I ain't got no foil. I gotta go buy some foil. Change of plans. She ain't got no foil. That's crazy. Y'all, I'm just out here winging it at this point, okay? I'm fucking winging it. I'm lying. I am not winging it because God would never let me. God would never let me wing it, okay? Even when I think I'm winging it. It's a part of the plan, period. Even when I think I'm winging it, it's God's plan. God's plan. Hold on, y'all wanna see me twerk? No, but for real, I've learned throughout my life that even every time I thought like I'ma just see what happened. That was God telling me to just go do the shit. And I'm talking so funny right now. My whole life has been a series of me thinking I'm winging it and then finding out that that was what God wanted me to do in the first place. And even the things that I thought would like break me, relationships, friendships, situationships, like all of that shit was just a part of, you know, the journey that I had to go through to get to where I am today. Like I done told this on my Instagram before, but I was in a really abusive relationship with someone, and honestly I learned a lot from him. Like I learned so much from that relationship. I really sat down the other day and was like, what did I learn from my relationship with this person? And I just started crying, not because I was hurt by what he did. It was just like, damn, like I learned so much about myself. Like I learned so much of what I didn't want in a relationship. I learned about so much of what I do want in a relationship, because he wasn't a horrible person. Like he wasn't like horrible 24/7, you know what I'm saying? Like he had some characteristics that I was like, damn, like, you know, that's something dope that I do want in a relationship. And you know, I was in a relationship with a freaking compulsive liar, bruh. Like, but that was another one of those relationships where it was like, yo, he really did so much that I never experienced before. Like he surprised me with trips. Like that was my, like the first, well, yeah, like that was like the first person to take me out the country. Like I've been out the country with my mama, but like it wasn't like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, it wasn't no vacation. Like, his family still fuck with me, like, you know, that type of shit. Like, we were like really had like a really close relationship. Like, his mom called me the other day. Like, we've been broken up for like over 4 years, but his mom called me like not the other day, like a couple weeks ago, and I just was like, you know, like, this is cool. Like, his stepmom still hit me up. I saw his sister recently, like, so yeah, I just had to really realize, like, all of the things that I went through in life, regardless of what it was, like friendships that I no longer speak to people, like, all of those experiences that we went through together have culminated to this very moment that I'm standing in. Like, they have all made me who I am. Like, even down to my boss telling me, you know, to stop focusing on my side hustle and focus more on my work, because, you know, my side hustle will never be my bread and butter, and I had job security. Pandemic hit, I was the second person to be fired. They only fired the black people. Go fucking figure. And yeah, pandemic hit, fired me, no job security, but thank God I listened to what God said, and I wasn't focused on fucking slaving at his bullshit. Like, I wasn't slaving at that shit. Like, yeah, I had a guaranteed paycheck, but I also wasn't happy. I've never been happier in my life. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I've never been happier. I don't have a relationship. I don't have, like, I have real friendships. I'm not in some fucked up relationship with some nigga that's doing me dirty, and I'm not in a job that I hate. But, like, on paper it looks crazy. Like, I ain't got no job, I ain't got no man. I don't got, like, my friends is none of my friends is in Florida for real. Like, I have a few friends in Florida, like my family, my cousins and shit, but none of my friends, like my main core group of friends, is in Florida. Like, you know what I'm saying? But I am so happy. Like, I am fucking happy, and that's all I could ask for. And I'm just so happy, and I'm just so thankful that I be listening to what God said, even when I don't even fucking realize I'm listening to what he's telling me to do. Like, I'm listening. Like, somehow, some way, my path and the path that God got for me, they collide, and it's like, all right, boom, let's get on one accord. Here we go. Like, even when I fall short, even when I feel like I'm slipping up, like, I still always know, like, God got me, so I never gotta worry. So yeah, y'all, I'm about to just chill. I'm about to start editing this video for real, and then wait for my food to cook. I'll probably show y'all my food after, but I'm gonna just end this vlog here. I love y'all so much. I gotta take this shit out of my teeth. It's almost time, like 6 more minutes. I love y'all, and I will talk to y'all very soon. Stay bad, stay bougie, stay blessed, okay? Period. And stay fucking dope. I love y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at DifferentTypeOfDope is my business page, and my personal page is IamDifferentTypeOfDope. So make sure y'all follow a bad bitch or whatever. Bye, y'all.